Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to record a loan in Zoho Books. Properly recording a loan helps ensure that our liabilities, interest expenses, and repayments are tracked accurately, so our financial statements stay clear and reliable. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we go to Banking or Accounts. We select Accountant. Then we click on Chart of Accounts. Once we're here, we create a new account. In the upper right corner, we select New. Now, we set the account type as Liability and choose Other Liability. For the account name, we use Bank Loan Emergency. For the bank code, we can enter an example code. Add a description if needed. Once we have filled in these details, we click Save. Now, we have our Bank Loan Emergency set up as an Other Liability account. Let's move on. We go to the journal listing. Here, we select Manual Journal. We create a new manual journal. Here, we can enter a reference number, such as 143, and add notes for the loan. Then we click Done. Next, we select the account we just created. Choose Bank Loan Emergency. We can also add a description. If needed, we can add contacts. For transaction type, choose Sales or Purchase. Add tax if necessary. If the debit amount is 10, set the credit to 0 to keep things balanced. Let's create this entry. If needed, we can recreate the entry to make sure everything is balanced and there is no difference. Just pick the same account, same description, and same employee. Save here. Enter the same debit amount as above. As you can see, there is now no difference. We can save and publish if we want. Once we are done, we can see that the journal has been created. It is now published. We can preview it here. We can customize it again if needed. And that's how we record a loan in Zoho Books. Always double-check our loan account, interest calculations, and repayments to keep our books balanced and up to date.